Guys, so I am having a little bitty issue. Okay, so when I film, I have a fire alarm in my house that beeps. The batteries are new, but it beeps. People are getting annoyed by the sound, and it's bothering me. What should I do? I don't want to take it down, but then I don't want to annoy people. So, what should I do? But just know they are new batteries. I'm going to change them again just to see if it makes a difference. But see, because it's doing it in there right now. But I'm going to change them again to see if it does anything different. Because I'm sick of hearing it myself. But I mean, I can't do nothing about it. I thought it's good. New batteries, no beep, but it's beeping.